I can look through the window of a store, and usually this is how it works. I look through a window of a store, and in 3 seconds I know exactly if I'll get anything there. So it's very quick. It's like smelling. I smell the store and I know if I'll find something there. In those little moments when I was tired of grieving, I could walk into a beautiful store and make myself happy. It's a guaranteed sense of good. Even if it's fleeting, it's guaranteed that I know if I get this, I'm going to feel good for that day. You don't have that sense of faith and trust with people because people disappoint.